Okay.
Meet the Kermode bear. The Kermode bear is a subspecies of black bears and can be either black or white in color. White bears, also known as spirit bears, are considered to be one of North America's greatest wildlife treasures. Unlike polar bears or albino bears, the white fur results from two recessive genes unique only to the Kermode bears, which is also similar to that of red hair in humans.
These bears are found in one of the richest and most spectacular ecosystems on our planet, the Great Bear Rainforest. The Great Bear Rainforest is the only rainforest in Canada and stretches 400 kilometers along the central and northern coast of BC. This is one of the world's last intact temperate rainforests, meeting some of the planet's largest wild rivers and most productive cold water seas. All 5 species of Pacific salmon are found here and is home to humpback whales, orcas, dolphins, porpoises, and remains the only place in the world you are able to find wild Kermode bears.
There are only a total of 1,200 Kermode bears, and less than 100 of them are white. Major threats to these bears include loss of pristine habitat through logging operations, reduction of salmon through man-made activities, and global warming, to name a few. Regardless of the Great Bear Agreement written in 2006 by the BC government in an attempt to limit logging in the area, the Kermode bear still possesses no legal protection as its habitats continue to dwindle. The greatest threat looming over the Kermode bears is the $6.5 billion Northern Gateway pipeline.
The Enbridge Northern Gateway project is 1,177-kilometer route that runs from northern Alberta to Kitimat, BC. At the head of the Douglas Channel, there would be a deep water port with 2 ship berths that would bring in as many as 220 super-sized oil tankers into BC's sensitive coastal waters.
Getting from Kitimat Port to the ocean is far from straight, requiring oil tankers to navigate through a maze of fjords. This channel is 6 times smaller than the one that sunk the Exxon Valdez, and it travels right through the Great Bear Rainforest.
If there was ever a massive oil spill, the oil these tankers would be carrying wouldn't be the traditional crude or refined petroleum. It would be the heavier bitumen from the tar sands. Once spilled, diluted bitumen separates into toxic gas, which can linger for days. Since the bitumen is so heavy, it could easily spread from the surface to the bottom while dispersing throughout the channels of the region.
The goal of Enbridge is to have 0 spills, but should there ever be one, the action plan mandates swift, decisive spill response. However, manpower and equipment are not 100% reliable, and by the time the spill is being cleaned, damage would have already been done.
In the event of an oil spill, the salmon population would be depleted, resulting in potential extinction of the Kermode bears, as their main food source relies on the abundant salmon runs.
In order to protect these pristine ecosystems and keep the Kermode bears alive, an alternative route must be chosen should there ever be a pipeline. With the help of Prime Minister Trudeau following through with his election promise to ban crude oil tankers off the BC coast, this could effectively kill the pipeline, keeping the Kermode bears alive.
Created using Powtoon.